Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here in the garage, but if you have a different year, that generation, it will work as well. You have two fuse boxes. One is, guys, under the hood in the engine bay, but you don't need this one. We're going to work on the fuse box that's inside your F-150. That's part of the BCM body control module. Under the glove box on the right side next to that kick panel, you will remove the cover, guys, and underneath you'll find the fuse box. Once you open it, it will look just like that, you can see. Now let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So where is that fuse now? If you look right here on the first row right here, guys, if you come right here, 1, 2, 3, the third fuse, that's a 30 fuse in our case. That 30 fuse is the one for the power windows on the front right on the passenger side. Check it out. If you need to buy new fuses, relays at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tools and supplies from. If your power window still doesn't work, guys, check, we have a special video about power window switch fuse on Ford F-150. It will tell you which fuses you need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.